Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to enable Adobe Reader in Google Chrome. So open your Google Chrome first. Now you have to write here extensions Chrome. Click on this extension Chrome Web Store. Now you have to write here Adobe Acrobat. Hit enter. Now you can see the first option Adobe Acrobat PDF. Click on this. Now choose Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension, and it will take some seconds to add extension. You have to hold on. Okay, extension has been added. Now you have to click on this uh, extension option, and then you can see this Adobe Acrobat. You have to just pin on this, click on pin, and your Adobe Acrobat extension is here right now. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.